Hey Lucy.
Hey Matt.
Today we're going to learn about one of my favourite things, how to gossip.
Oh no, you love talking about other people, don't you?
I know, I can't help it. Did you hear that Jay has broken up with his partner?
What? I mean, I heard that they're moving in together.
No way. Lucy, did you know you just used here to report gossip?
I did? Don't tell anyone.
I won't, but I will show you how. You can use the verb here plus that plus a clause to talk about gossip. In the clause, you can use any verb tense, past, present, or future. It depends on the rumour. So, for example, I heard that they're moving in together.
So a clause is just a subject plus a verb, right?
Exactly.
Now, what about the verb here? What tense does that need to be?
Well, since you're talking about something that you found out in the past, you'd use the past simple, or maybe the present perfect. You could even use the present simple.
Okay, and what if I don't know if the information's true?
That's exactly what this structure is for. If you say, I heard that he has a new girlfriend, then it's possible you're wrong.
Okay, but if you say he has a new girlfriend...
Then it sounds like you're 100% sure it's true.
Okay, I got it. So what did we learn today?
We learned how to gossip using the verb here.
So do you have any more gossip to share?
Well, it's not confirmed yet, but I heard Jay already has a new girlfriend.
No way.
Oh, hey guys, this is Christy.
Hi, Christy.
Hi, Christy.
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.